Hi.
We will get started in just a second.
Where's everyone else?
Yeah, we'll get started very soon. Just waiting for a few more people.
Do you know where's everyone else?
I don't know. I don't know where everyone is. Yeah, because Valentina, I know for a fact that one girl is she's sick or something, so she won't be here today. Or maybe she was doing something, but yeah, there should still be like 4 or 5 people, so I don't know where everyone ran away to.
I think there are 2 more. Yeah.
So yeah, for now I can't really do anything. Oh, Alan, hello.
I didn't do homework. I was too busy.
Homework also was a bit weird. Some people didn't get their attachments on, so I think we're gonna skip that for now and then see what we left off with. I will check that in just a moment. All right, see, look at this. People are starting to come in now. We're gonna start off. Yeah, the homework that last week was actually super easy. It was literally just review 2. I'll start screen sharing. All right, so where we left off last time, let's see. We finished.
I think it's volume.
Tessellations, and we finished. We finished tessellations, and we didn't go to volume yet. Yeah. So for Alan, this is going to be a bit of a review day, actually. Yeah. So volume's actually our final unit. After we finish volume, we're going to do a ton of review, and then we are finished with 5. Yeah. So I'm going to start off by sending some pretty simple ones. There's going to be 5 questions basically. I want you to send me the 5 answers. First off, the question E is this little question then here, which solid has the greatest volume? So I want you to give me the answers like A, number. For numbers, I'll just write 100. The answers aren't all 100. I don't even think any of them are, but just this is just an example. So you would write something like that, where you would give me 4 numbers and then give me the letter. That's what I want, one message in chat. And the number that you want to give me is the amount of unit cubes. So send me that in chat. Guys, I don't just send me which one has the biggest volume. So first of all, you can't send E because that doesn't make any sense. E is like one of the questions you're answering. I want you to send me 5 different messages. 5 different messages. Well, no, not 5. 5 different answers in one message. 5 different answers in one message. I think Zoom's having some issues because a lot of people just popped out, and then this happened earlier as well, where people are just hopping in and out. I think Zoom's having some issues today. No, each solid has a different amount of cubes in them. Yeah, no, every single one has a different amount of cubes in it. For example, some of them, like this one here is 3 times 3 times 4. So this one over here has 36 cubes, but some of them have different amounts. Yeah, so for the first, okay, so some people are starting to get correct answers. This one is 4, because there's 4 layers basically. Each layer has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 times 10 equals 40. The next one, 3 times 4 equals 36. The next one is 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. And the next one is, there's 2 prisms basically. This prism right here is 2 times 3 times 5, which comes out to 30. And the other one is 5 times 5 times 2, which comes out to 50, which is 80. So our answers are 40, 36, 64, 80, and then D is the answer because D is the biggest. Now we're going to move on to some basic volume questions. Alan, today might be a bit boring for you. Yeah, some of these are pretty easy. The first 2 questions you should be able to send very quickly. Is just to really introduce the idea of cubes and cuboids, which cuboids are basically rectangular prisms. No, skip number 3. No, I can't. Yep, so these are very easy. Yes. All right, so I'll send a few more. And then, so now we're gonna go over sides. After this, we're gonna go over like just how to solve a side. Then we're gonna go over how to solve a volume and some more difficult things. I'm gonna go deeper into volume, and then we'll finish today off with some review. Yep, so I'll wait for more. I'll start posting the next ones. I don't know what's going on. Oh, because I made the page too small. Okay, my bad. You can start question 4 then there. Question 4 has a bit of a walkthrough. And then we'll have question 5 and 6. I will have 6 copied. I will paste another problem now. Once you finish question 4, I'll scroll I'll scroll down to that one in a second. Oh. I will send a never sent of like the next unit in a second. Okay, so I will paste the next area. I'll move this question over here if you're still working on that. So this isn't so much a question as it is a demonstration, just on displacement. So Sammy poured 50 milliliters of water into a measuring cylinder. Then he put in some marbles and measured it. So we went from 50 here, and then he put in all these marbles. Now it's at 80. So that means that the volume of the marbles is 30 centimeters, because the volume of the marbles is the amount of water that was displaced. So I'll wait, yeah. Okay, and then moving on. I'm going to send a question with a bit of a walkthrough. So this will tell you step by step what to do. When you solve this one, I'll send another one, and then we'll be on practices. Question 2 is right here. Make sure to not just like go straight to the bottom of the walkthrough. Don't just go straight to here and do the multiplication. Make sure you actually understand the problem. After we finish this small section called 9A, we're basically done with the books and we're just doing a review.
We do a lot of reviews.
If you solve the first ones, I have another one. We will have class next week. I'm not sure about the week after. By the way, if you finish all of these, actually, never mind, because that's not gonna happen right now. After this, we're gonna do review 2, I believe. No, review 2 is gonna be homework. We're gonna stick in the textbook and finish that off. All right, Alex. Alex, you can go into the textbook, open it up on Google Classroom, or if you have printed it, I don't really care. Just open it up, right? And once you open the textbook up, you can start review C. Send me every 5 questions. When Alan also gets there, Alan, you can also start review C. Just work on review C and send me every 5 questions. Alex, for homework, you will finish review C and review D. And then next class we'll do review E and then start workbook. All right, so I'm pausing you guys. I'm gonna pause quickly. We're gonna pause quickly. I'm gonna go over these questions. If you're on the textbook right now, stop. We're going over these questions. First off, if this is 90, what is this? This is 4. The answer to the first one is 4 because 360 divided by 90 is 4, okay? The next question. 8 times 8 is 64. This is 576. 576 divided by 64 is 9. The answer to the second question is 9. All right, you guys got to be careful with these questions because I see quite a few wrong answers, right? Next question, the volume of the cube is 125. A single side length is 5. It contains 1.2. The area of the tank is 96 centimeters. Find the height of the water level. It contains 1,200. The base is 96. We divide 1,200 by 96. And our answer is 12.5. I don't think anyone really got many of these correct. You guys are going a bit too fast. Some people got a few correct, but most of them you got wrong. The next question, 15 and 10 contains water to a depth of 4. Find the height of the new. Well, 15, 10, that makes 150. So that means if it's 300, that means it rose 2. The original was 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. The answer is 6 for number 4. Actually, I'll take away this little square here because I've been using squares for the answers. But yeah, the answer for this one is 6. Rectangular container 9 by 6 by 5. It became 7. That means it increased by 2 times 9 times 6. And this equals 108. So your answers should be 4, 9, 5, 12.5, 6, and 108. I know this was not really your answers, so I really want you to be careful with these questions. Don't get many, try to get them all correct, okay? So now you can, I'll keep this up for now, but you can also move on to review C as I said. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do, review C. We will not know. Yeah. So so the reason I'm telling you to send me every 5 is so I know where you leave off. And then from there, we will be able to figure out where to pick up on the homework with. Review D is going to be homework. So basically, review C and review D are homework. And basically what we're doing right now is we're starting it. That's how you can think about it. Yeah, basically. Just like it's yeah, just start sending. That's it. Review C and review D are basically homework, and then you're gonna work on them until you're done. Yep.
So you will post the question we left off on, right?
Yeah. So the instructions will say finish the questions that you didn't finish. But for for now, focus because the more you get done now, the more you finish with. Also, while you're still in class, you can ask me questions if you have trouble on any.
We'll catch up on homeworks.
Just a reminder that the questions are in the textbook. I don't know if someone's lost it. Send me every 5, remember. I'm okay. First of all, Alex, that is not the first 5, but thank you very much. The page, I'm not sure what the exact. Actually, I do have the page. The page is 83. It's basically at the end of the book. Just scroll all the way to the end of the book until you find review seat. That's a. I'm not gonna really say it's a trick, but like that's what you should do. All right, so both of you, I think Alan's still getting started with that. I don't have the answers key because I never got an answer key. So Alex, if you don't mind, I'm gonna post the homework in like 10 seconds. And what I want you to do for me is I want you to, because in the homework, right, I'm gonna have a doc. And that Google Doc, I would appreciate it if you could, give me 1 second, paste in your answers just to make it easier for next time.
So we have to paste in all the answers.
That's it for homework. So
We
you
have to post in
Go on
all the
homework tab.
answers in review C.
can paste in your answers.
Uh,
That'd make it much easier.
So we have to put in all of our answers, right? What and the answers we did, right?
I think Alex means that like you paste in the answer review C for homework. Is that what we're gonna do?
So we have to post in all the answers.
What happened?
Maybe we should put in all our answers.
Oh,
All right, well, that's it for class today. That's gonna
Question.
be
Who
it.
have to
You guys can start working on the homework that was posted,
answers?
and Alex, you can paste your answers in.
We have to paste in all our answers.